is your Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Eli Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List na katabang na kasurug pa. As we are seeing a jam-packed crowd right now here inside the Daraga Covered Court. Ako pa rin po ang makakasama nyo sa uling laro ngayong Sunday ng Ako Bicol Cup. At ako po si Coach Kyle Andre Lorejo Marilla at sa aking tabi naman makakasama pa rin natin Coach Reynel Manlangit.
Yes, good evening po sa lahat ng mga viewers at mga nanonood dito sa loob ng Daraga Covered Court. And now we are witnessing the battle of Manito and Daraga.
And now for our games at hand, the battle of the 2nd District, Manito versus the home team, Daraga. Who will get their majestic start for this ball game? Is it going to be Aspe and the proud Daraga team, or sa other side naman ng ating court, si Jubilia kaya kasama ang team Manito? Abangan natin yan.
And this is a very good matchup, Coach, kasi eto, magkaibigan tong dalawa eh. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Magkalaban na silang dalawa.
And with their experience sa paglalaro sa Pilipinas Super League Under 21 for the Parañaque Wertrans, I guess definitely that will be a big factor here for our ball game right now. Parehas debuting team sa ating liga ngayon ang dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, pasadahan natin ang mga players ng ating mga kupunan. Unahin natin dyan ang team Daraga.
Okay, let's beat the team Daraga. Jersey number 4, Asanya. Jersey number 12, Caspe. Jersey number 13, Llantero. Jersey number 14, Albaitar. Jersey number 19, Nidua. Jersey number 23, Gadon. Jersey number 24, Yutan. Jersey number 25, Santiago. Jersey number 27, Chiope. Jersey number 31, Pispis. Jersey number 60, Monzalbe. Jersey number 76, Arrienda. And jersey number 91, Aspe.
As we take a look at the starting 5 for both teams, pero puntahan naman natin ang team ng Manito. Sino ba ang mga players na nandyan?
Let's meet the players of Team Manito. Galvez, number 1. Jersey number 4, Daz. Jersey number 5, Briones. Jersey number 7, Acabado. Jersey number 8, Baloloy. Jersey number 9, Lucinario. Jersey number 18, Daep. Jersey number 21, Ang. Jersey number 24, Balitaon. Jersey number 27, Jubilia. Jersey number 29, Miano. Jersey number 35, Cañada. And jersey number 41, Declaro.
The ball is up and ang unang pupuntos para sa ating laban is Llantero, a proud native of Malabog, Daraga, Albay.
Yes, Coach.
At sa kabilang dako naman, Jubilia. Defended well by Llantero. With a jump shot, wala yan. So far, for our key matchup for this game, Coach, we have here Aspe and Jubilia.
Yes, Coach, tama ka. Kasi etong dalawa, parehas tong bata eh. Tsaka yung basketball IQ ng dalawang to, magagamit talaga dito sa larong ito.
And that veteran experience na rin dito sa dalawang to, kahit ganito nga kabata to, ay naglaro na sa mga napakaraming liga so far.
Yes, Coach. How many times na rin silang nagsama and almost palaging champion eh.
Llantero steps on the line in that occasion and the ball will go now to the Manito. Manito right now looking for their first crack, pero nakuha ni Caspe. Llantero short lang doon sa kanyang layup. Jubilia right now kontra kay Aspe. Yan yung inaabangan natin ng match up right now.
Yes,
from the
Coach.
early part of this ball game. Albaitar, eto isa ding homegrown from Daraga, taga-Gabawan, Daraga. Stolen by Aspe. Aspe,
Grabe.
drop of pass kay Gadon.
Yung pass, ano, Coach? Hindi ko na ini-expect, Coach eh.
This player is very well known sa kanyang passing skills.
Tama, Coach. Tsaka yung basketball IQ napakataas. He recognizes teammates well.
And of course, the court vision of Aspe is tremendous. Butata ka dyan, pero napulot ni Declaro. Wala nga lang, babalik sa Daraga ang bola. Gadon, outlet pass, saktong-sakto yun. Gadon pa rin ang bola.
Ayan na naman yung
Makukuha
Aspe
yan ni
coach.
Aspe. Kita mo yung kalmadong Aspe.
Iba talaga
He's
yung
just
experience.
smiling. Kaspe, wala yon.
Hindi nag-amuyan yung dalawa.
This is a good story in terms of the player of Daraga, Kaspe and Aspe.
Bakit
Aspe
yan?
now.
Ah,
To Kaspe. Nakita si Paul doon at merong cutting doon. That was a thing of beauty in the part of Team Daraga.
yung basketball IQ, yung passing ability, coach, eto yung binabayaran sa batang to eh.
You see coming from the outside, that inside pass going to Aspe and dishing out that pass to Gadon and finishes with a layup. Hindi lang nga lang na-convert yung kanyang bonus shot, pero mabibigyan ulit ng opportunity ang Daraga to make this an 8-point lead in this early going of our first frame. Albaitar now at the line to shoot 2 free throws.
Ito pala, coach, ay isang homegrown player ng Daragano. And I remember naglaro rin to sa UST, coach, with under coach Junicius Multo.
Gadon kontra Hubilia, nagkikis-kisan.
May hinahanap ako dito, coach, sa nitong dalawang players.
Briones. Siguro alam ko kung sinong hinahanap mo, and that is Acabado.
Yes, coach,
And maybe
and
right
si
now,
Galvez.
oo. Aspe. Sa corner. Wala nga lang yon. Loose ball will pick up by Kaspe. Liantero. Gadon for a 3. Gadon drilling that 3.
Sino ba naman ang mag-i-expect na titira yan sa labas? Big man.
A 10-0 run by Daraga right now. Hubilia. Good spin. Naabangan lang. You know, mahihirapan si Hubilia dito because the defense of Daraga is nakafocus sa
Sa kanya
kanya.
lang, coach eh.
So, his teammate must rotate well para mabigyan sila ng magandang position at nagpapakita si Baloloy ng kanyang ball handling. Finally,
Finally, nakabutas rin.
the first crack of nito of this game.
This is a former DNHS varsity player to, si Balitaon, coach eh.
Liantero. Now to Kaspe. Siya naman ang titira ng 3. Nagpapakitang gilas na kaagad ang range ng Team Daraga. Liantero ngayon. Ang nakamatch up kay Hubilia.
In fairness, coach, ang ganda ng depensa ng Lantero, coach, no?
Para doon lang sa sequence na yon, nag-collapse siya, committing that foul. And we have a timeout here para sa nito, calling for a ceasefire. But right now, Team Daraga enjoying an 11-point lead here in the early going of our ball game with 5 minutes and 41 seconds on the clock for our first quarter. Right now, what if you are part of Team nito, Coach Reynel, what should you do?
Kailangan ko talaga, coach, i-rotate yung bola. Hindi pwedeng nakayubilya lang kasi etong mga players ng Daraga, alam na yung laro ni Ubilya eh. Alam nang siya yung kukunin. So, they have to rotate yung proper spacing and at the same time yung ball movement and make a good shot palagi, coach.
Marami. Etong Team Daraga was being coached by Coach Stads Delgado, another friend of mine sa
Yes.
GHBA.
The commissioner of the GHBA Cup. And also, coach, yung kalaban niya is part of the GHBA din last season.
Asper right now. To Liantero. Liantero for 3.
Most of their basket, coach, nasa puros outside shooting eh.
Asanya is now in the game right now. Pinahinga muna si Albaitar. Briones. Nakawala dun sa kanyang short stab.
Ito, another veteran player din to, coach.
Aspe. To Caspe. Alam mo yung mga bullet pass ni Aspe, kung wala kang familiarization sa player na to, talagang tatamaan ang mukha mo eh.
Kailangan ka dapat mag-prepare ka, coach. Kung hindi.
Definitely, papasahan ka nito ng mga bullet passes niya eh.
Tsaka, coach, ang ganda ng katawan niya ngayon. Siguro na-develop to sa Manila, no?
Definitely. Now Briones, back to Baloloy. Hubilia on the other side. Hubilia for 3. So far, wala pa. Wala pang naipupukol na tira. Nakikita na agad natin ang depensa ng Daraga kontra kay Hubilia. Another drop pass made courtesy by Dazzle Paul Aspe to his teammate Liantero. I guess that is already the third assist of Aspe. Declaro. Kontra kay Gadon. Declaro fades away. In this early part of the ball game, coach, we can see that the big man of Manito is shooting from the distance.
Yes, coach, kasi medyo nahihirapan talaga sila eh. Yung ring protector ng Daraga, marunong eh. Marunong pumesto. Iba talaga pag MPBL player ka, no?
But right now, ang possession ay mananatili sa mga taga-Daraga with 14 seconds on their shot clock.
Yung recognition talaga ng Aspe, coach, no? Grabe!
The court vision of Aspe.
Hindi na kailangan mag-dribble, coach?
Hindi ko alam kung ang kanya...
Ano sa tingin
Ang
mo, coach, kung
kanyang-
ilang mata niyan?
hindi ko alam kung anong pinagkaiba ng aming peripheral vision. Pero yung mga ganun na nakatingin ka dito and then you're going to throw. Pero definitely, we have to give credit sa teammate ni Aspe because they are rotating very well.
Tama, coach. And yung conversion ng pinaka-importante,
Yes.
coach.
At new faces for Team Daraga as Chope and Monsalve checking in.
Monsalve is a former Kamsur Express
Kamsur
player.
Express, another veteran center. And right now, the lead of Daraga is ballooning now into 16 big points.
Maganda yung-
Nahihirapan dito ang Manito, especially sinasabayan din ang nila ang pace.
Oo. Actually, yung tempo, coach, nakukuha nila. They are dictating the tempo, coach.
Hubilia
More
with a
on,
running start.
kita mo, coach, yung help defense.
Pero
But
Pero,
still,
let's give it to Hubilia for that sequence. Better offense for Hubilia. Hindi ginamit ni Aspe. Pero a very nice pass once again. Hindi lang
Yung mga
na-convert ni
entry pass.
Mansalve. Baloloy now looking for Hubilia. Stolen by Chope. Azanya now running. Azanya.
easy layup lang
Easy
kaya
layup na lang to. Declaro.
Ito, nagpapakilalang veteran player na naman to ng Manito.
Declaro hitting his second shot. Caspe, wala yan. Rebound was secured by the team. Manito Hubilia now dancing with Chope, with Aspe.
Double team.
Hubilia, nakikita natin ngayon. Ang Manito talaga nakarely ang kanilang opensa in just one man.
The problem is, coach, yung fatigue factor nito. Eh, kung kaya niya bang i-sustain until fourth quarter.
Yes, yan ang magiging problema because Hubilia right now is battling 5 defender of the team Daraga. At ngayon ipapahinga muna si Caspe and another streak shooter checking in in the ball game. Tristan Pispis, a former defenders of
Yes,
Fate.
coach. And now, a varsity of
Divine. Hubilia, napakalayong tira yon. And now we are seeing what we are expecting.
That's the problem, coach, eh. So medyo nahihirapan siyang pumasok, titira yun sa labas.
Oh, hindi ko napansin. Another veteran guard
Yes.
checking in. Ao Santiago, a proud Sagpon player. Baloloy kontra kay Santiago. Showing his dribbling skills there. Pero naipit siya. Now, pinaka-importante, floor spacing. Declaro, open for 3.
May tira talaga to sa labas.
Chope challenging the defense of Declaro, getting that layup plus meron pang foul.
But to Coach ni King, ni Coach Tikboy. Native din to Coach sa Catanduanes eh.
Another decorated player, Chope. Chope is no stranger here inside the Daraga covered court.
Yung leaping ability nito Coach, talagang hahangaan mo
Exactly.
din eh.
Baloloy now with the ball. So far, hindi pa nagpapalit ng tao ang team nito. Relying on their 5 right now. Hubilia with a jumper.
Ang taas
Finally,
talaga ng
breaking the
kumpiyansa.
silence for team nito. But right now, team nito is trailing by 15. Santiago. Open shot.
May
And
tira talaga to Coach.
he'll definitely makes it if Santiago is left like that.
And this is the advantage of having this home court Coach.
Oo naman.
Diba?
The crowd is in your side.
Yes.
Hubilia with 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Yung deny ni
Baloloy.
Monsalve, maganda
Yes.
ang ginagawa.
Alam mo kung anong ginagawa ng Daragan ngayon? The moment Hubilia stops dribbling the ball, the offense of Manito will also stop.
Yes, Coach. Yan ang nangyayari talaga eh. No other options kasi.
Peace. Back to Santiago. Chope, open jumper. Sobra lang yon, pero ang rebound, the ball will stay sa mga taga-Daraga. We have a timeout here with 35.3 seconds remaining on our first frame. And right now, nakikita natin, Coach, na-outplay ngayon ng Daraga because of their defense.
Yes, Coach. Kasi alam na nila yung keys to win ngayon eh. Na if they will stop the Hubilia, they will dictate the momentum, Coach.
So as we take a look at the bench of the
Crowd. Sold out, Coach!
kung merong ticket to, sold out na. We can say na sold out crowd, but definitely this AKB Cup is for free.
Yes, Coach. Yan ang kinagandahan ng ligang to. Kasi yung puso ng mga Bicolano sa basketball, Coach eh.
Team Daraga now in possession with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ang ganda nung hanap ni Santiago doon kay Asanya. Asanya is another guest player.
Yes, Coach. This is a native Barangay Pigkali.
Barangay Pigkali of Legazpi. So again, please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and share button as you are watching us live sa Ako Bicol Online TV.
Masipag din na bata to, Coach. And yung exposure nito, talagang hasa na.
Asanya making sure that last throw, 30 seconds remaining on our first frame. Baloloy. Declaro, another jump shot. Wala lang yon. Pero mananatili ang bola sa mga tagamaan nito. Baloloy. Do you see how gutsy this player is?
Oo.
Itong Baloloy na to?
Grabe to, Coach, no? Small but terrible na tinatawag.
Kung kanina meron tayong ageless Tabuso, right now we have this sneaky point guard Baloloy at challenge din niya
Si
ang
Chope.
opensa ni Chope.
Sipag.
4.8 seconds.
As our crowd sa likod natin recognizing the effort of Baloloy,
Shooting for two, Chope.
Jerome Baloloy. Chope misses the first.
Ito rin coach ang kinagandahan sa mga part na area dyan. Kasi masisipag yung mga bata, no? Actually, he is the smallest player in the court. Di ba, coach? But he has the big heart.
Minsan, height doesn't matter.
Correct,
but
coach.
your heart will matter the most. So our
End of the first quarter.
in the
First quarter score. Manito
so at the end of our first quarter, our score is 32-12. A big lead early here in the first quarter by Team Daraga, having a 20-point lead over the Team Manito. Magbabalik po kami para sa second quarter of action. Huwag po kayong aalis. This is your AKB Cup 2022.
Simulan na ang laro, palakasin tuhod at braso, bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Alis lang matapa, basta tayo agad, tuloy lang, sige lang.
And we are back. We are still live here inside the Jam Pack Daraga covered court at napapanood nyo pa rin po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022 sa huling laban para ngayong araw, ang labanan ng Team Daraga versus Team Malinaw. At so far, ang Team Daraga having a comfortable lead, Coach Reynel.
Coach. And finally, pinasok na yung idol ko, si Sir Chaggy.
Chaggy Arrienda.
Isang veteran player din to, coach.
I think it will be a good matchup sa kay Declaro dun sa kabila.
Oh,
Santiago right now. Wala lang yun. Ang bola mapupunta sa Manito. At syempre, sisiguraduhin na yan.
karamihan ng players, coach, ang ito mga veterans, no?
Ni Daep.
Iba yung basketball pala sa kanila, no? They really
Santiago.
love the basketball.
Santiago open shot. Ang ganda nung curl. Ang ganda-ganda nung curl ni Sir Chaggy Arrienda from the weak side para mapasaan siya doon ni Santiago.
Ito yung isa sa mga idol ko nung bata ko, coach.
This is another, I guess Sir Chaggy Arrienda right now is also a 42-year-old player.
Yes, kasi naglalaro na to sa 40 above eh.
Caspe, napasobra lang yung pectus doon. Nasa kabila ng bola, Hubilya, dinidiretso.
Kulang na lang, idakdak na lang, coach.
Yun na nga yung inaabangan. And I think kung dinunk niya yun, talagang this crowd will
Ay,
be
uwi na, coach.
will
Uwi na ako.
explode.
Uwi na ako.
Yutan, another new face. Kevin Ray Yutan, former ACC Serpents.
And a native of Catanduanes, coach. Right?
A good foul there by Kevin Yutan, not letting Hubilya to go for a fast break.
Yan yung kinaganda ng isang magiging veteran player, yung magbibigay ka ng smart foul.
Right now, ang lineup ng Team Daraga, Chaggy Arrienda with Caspe, Santiago, Yutan, and Gadon. All of them is shooting from the three-point arc.
Time to shoot.
Hubilia,
Hovilla.
that drop step. Yan na yung mga nade-develop na mga players natin right now.
Minsan, coach, madadala ka ng fake nung drop step, no?
Yes. Mga pinauso ni Rivero yun eh.
Oo.
Santiago, babawi ng tres. Wala yun. Gadon, tangkad ni Gadon doon. Wala nang magagawa doon.
You
Ang
can teach
ito.
height, coach.
As Gadon skying high for that rebound and converting a 2-point for the Daraga.
Eto, another veteran din, coach, eh.
We're seeing action for these ageless warriors of Manito.
Grabe.
Pero mananatili ang possession sa Manito. Hubilia with 14 seconds on their shot clock. Kontra kay Caspe, Hubilia. Hubilia, one-on-one, pinihit.
Actually, coach, this is a good matchup. Caspe and Uvilla.
Pero that will definitely affect Hubilia because minamama siya ng depensa ng Daraga right now, knowing na sa kanya ang opensa.
Kasi siya yung go-to guy ng team, eh. So, lahat ng defense ay focus talaga sa kanya.
Basket for two.
Finally, nakabutas din
Number 35.
si Cañada.
Karamihan talaga, coach, sa mga veteran shooters, no?
Yutan, wag mong iiwan yan sa tres. Buti na lang nagmintis doon.
Isa rin yan deadly, eh.
Another deadly shooter from Catanduanes. Pero I think right now, he is a resident of Sagpon, Daraga. So, but there is contact.
Foul by number 12.
Dito natin, coach, masusubukan yung condition ng Uvilla, no?
As Leantero and Pispis will check back in for Caspe and Yutan.
Sino na kayong
Uvilla.
kamatch nito?
Trooping to the line for 2 shots.
Ang ganda ng strategy ni Coach Tads. Kasi nung nahirapan yung Caspe, pinasok niya yung Llantero. Which is a good defender, coach, eh.
Oo, Leantero is defending Hubilia sa ating first quarter and I guess mag-stick pa rin dun sila sa matchup na yon. And
Possible, coach, eh.
right now, this is only a 15-point game with Daraga leading Aspe to Arrienda. Arrienda open for 3, way off. Pero mananatili ang possession kay Leantero. Aspe.
Foul by number 27. Hovilla.
Ready na naman sanang pumasa yung Aspe, no, coach?
Another big factor here is the foul situation of Hubilia. He cannot afford.
Eto, coach, na Aspe, underrated player to, eh. Hindi mo kasi malalaman kung titira ba to. But most of his action in the court is more on passing talaga siya, coach. Kita mo yung
Leantero.
pag-deny, coach, no?
Pispis, sigurado na yan para kay Pispis. Nasa strong side niya pa napulot yung bola. So definitely, he will finish that off. Hubilia now. Kontra kay Leantero. Handcheck yun para kay Renzo Leantero.
Never extend your hand, coach. Every time you defend the player, never extend your hand.
Number 13, second personal foul.
Advantage yan palagi ng ball handler, coach, eh.
Another veteran guy, I guess, pumasok para sa team man nito, Locinario. This is a tall order para sa team ng team man nito.
Yes, coach, oo.
With the guns of Team Daraga right now, anybody can shoot
Tama, coach.
and
tama.
anybody can score. Parang ano to eh, para kung tutuusin itong Ayan na!
Yan na yung sinasabi, Coach!
Inaantay natin.
Coach, hindi na sayang yung ticket ko?
Yun ang inaantay natin. I'm hoping that we can see a lot more from Jubilia.
Actually, Coach, mababa na yung 2 or 3 nito sa isang laro. Ang
Gadon
dante
with a short stab. Pasok yan para kay Gadon. Ang ganda nung dunk doon ni Jubilia. And of course, his defense reading that pass so well. Pero Aspe, tumatakbo. Tuliantero. Basket for 2. May kasama pang foul. In that occasion, let them go.
Tama, Coach. Kasi yung transition offense ng Daraga, hindi mo na yun ma-stop eh. The only thing to do is to catch the ball na lang sa ilalim.
Oh, at least challenge.
Oo.
But definitely, do not foul the streaking Lantero kasi mas ibabaon mo lang ang iyong sarili sa kalamangan. And now, you're giving Lantero a bonus shot from the free throw line.
And we all know, Coach, na ito ay isang finisher eh. Diba? Yung setup ng pasa, Coach, yung nagdala talaga doon.
Lantero
Makes it for a three-point play.
making his free throw.
93-33, running score. With 5 minutes more to go before the end of the first half.
Ganda ng trapping defense ng Team Daraga right now. Huli yun ni Gadon. Pero sabi ng referee, no, merong contact.
Foul by number 23. Substitution for Manito. Number 23, first personal foul.
Naka-man-to-man defense sila, Coach, ha? With pressure na tinatawag.
And penalty.
Naka-full court press sila.
Shooting for 2.
Taking the advantage, Coach, na hindi masyadong kagalingan yung mga point guards.
Yun naman talaga eh. If that is the weakness of your opponent, then attack it.
Tama, Coach.
Knowing right now that Pispis and Aspe is a perimeter defender, talaga magkakaroon ng problema ang team man ito bringing down the ball. So definitely kailangan nila mag-adjust dyan.
And aside of that, Coach, dinidelay nila yung offense.
Open na dun si Liantero momentarily, pero they opted to go. And that shot will count for Gadon.
Getting the rebound, then yung under goal na basket.
There's no stopping Gadon if nandun na siya very deep sa ating baseline, nakaposition with his length and with his athleticism, talaga mau-i-score yan ni Gadon. Pispis on the side, Liantero. Sobra lang doon. Liantero again, Arienda. Nabitawan down long. Pero yan, tumatakbo ngayon ang team nito.
Hindi nila talaga sinahayaang makuha yung transition ni Ubilla.
Yes. Nakikita natin habang tumatakbo si Jubilia, the 5-man of Team Daraga is looking at him.
Actually, maganda yung ginagawa ng Daraga, Coach. Eh. You have to stop Jubilia.
Locinario now. Aspe reverses.
Ilang beses ko yung, Coach, na papanood sa TV. Yan sinasabi, Coach, na underrated. Hindi mo alam kung papasa ba o titira.
Pero binawi din naman kaagad ng napakagandang layup ni Jubilia. Liantero right now. Attacking. That was a good attack by Liantero. At merong foul doon si Lucinario.
You know, Coach, if you are a defender of Jubilia, dapat sa baba mo pa lang siya stop. Kasi kapag lumipad na yan, you can never stop him.
And we have a time here as we take a look at the the huddle of Team Daraga with their head coach, Thads Delgado.
Ano kaya yung gagawin itong inbound
At
play
the
ni
other
Coach?
side of our court, si Coach Edsel Estuya naman with the team Manito. Right now, this is only a 21-point lead ball game, very manageable. Pero definitely, Manito has to step up their game para maibaba nila.
Kailangan ng malaking adjustment dito, Coach. If not, baka lumobo pa yan. Yan ang kinakatakutan nila.
And they cannot afford that to happen in terms of the team Manito. So,
Of course, Coach.
titingnan natin yan.
Ano kayang inbound play itong ginawa ni Coach Tads? Tingnan natin.
Out of the timeout. Nakita natin doon.
Knockout play!
Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung back screen na ginawa ni Pispis. Naging decoy doon si Pispis. Pag nag-show doon ang depensa kay Pispis, automatically yung cut ni Gadon doon ay malilibre. The ball will go now to Team Daraga. Good defense by Gadon. Pispis open for 3. Pasok
Iyon ang
yan.
mahirap.
Wag na wag mong hahayaang ma-open. A shooter like Tristan Pispis.
Ilang beses ko na yan, Coach, nahawakan. Pag tumira yan ng isa, asahan mo, sunod-sunod na yan.
Binawian din naman kaagad ni Jubilia with that spin and the layup. May kasama pang foul.
Third personal foul for Llantero.
Yun talaga yung mahirap, Coach eh. You have to stop him sa baba pa lang. Kapag sa
Caspe.
taas,
Caspe and Chope checking back in for Arrienda and Llantero. Bonus free throw for Jubilia.
sinicure na ni Coach Tads yung rim protector niya. Kailangan niyang pumasok ng mga bigs eh. In fairness sa mga big man coach ng Manito, kailangan nakikisabayan talaga sila, no?
They're giving their hearts out. Tingnan mo si Baloloy. Yun nga lang, he steps on the line.
Fearless to.
Right now, we cannot see the full strength of Daraga given this lead. 24-point lead. Chope, nabitin lang doon. Good defense on the part of Briones. Ball on Daraga with 14 seconds on the shot clock. 2 minutes and 29 seconds in the ball game. Chope,
Another good pass from Aspe coach.
you know, having a two high leaper guy with a long reach, itapon mo lang sa taas, sila na bahala dyan. Jubilia.
Tingnan mo kasi yung help defense ng Chope.
Briones now off the glass. Wala yan. Gadon with the rebound. Pace with another shot.
Same spot!
Same result. Nothing but the net.
Yes. Iba talaga tong pispis na to.
Jubilia one-on-one once again. Pero doon sinigurado niya na.
Minamama coach no? Grabe. Kayod kalabaw tong batang to.
Pero definitely, Caspe from long range. Pasok yan para kay Caspe. His second three-pointer para sa larong ito. Chope lumipad with an end one opportunity.
But we have to recognize the pass of Aspe coach.
Yes.
Diba? Galing sa steal eh.
Aspe is a scorer, pero right now is delivering the goods for his teammates. We have a timeout here
Manito.
for Team Manito.
1 minute and 23
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, coach. Kailangan niya talaga lang mag-adjust. If not, yan ang mangyayari, coach. Mas lolobo ng lolobo
I
yung
think
team.
right now, Manito or Jubilia must look for his teammate because he was being double teamed by Team Daraga and definitely merong isang tao dyan na ma-open up. And what is the role of his teammate? You rotate, you position yourself na mabibigyan ka ng pasa and then take the shot.
Yes, coach. And siguro, kung coach ka ng nito, you have to instruct your players na they have to rotate the ball. And huwag silang aasa kay Jubilia lang eh.
Definitely. You are right. Kasi right now, nakatutok ang buong depensa. Alos nga yung buong tao dito nakatutok lang with Jubilia and nahihirapan din siya. And Jubilia, I guess right now, at least 50% from the field because of the tight defense by the Team Daraga. But Baloloy, nakita mo yung lakas ng loob nitong...
Nakita mo, coach, yung dalawang dinaanan? Yung Albaitar.
Parang ano lang parang si Ant-Man.
Totoo,
Mark
coach.
Cruz. Pero definitely, hindi pa natin kung meron siyang outside range. Pero yung kanyang gutsiness, attacking the lane, is just like Mark Cruz.
Oo. Tsaka medyo maedad na rin to, coach, no? Yung build kasi ng katawan niya eh.
And Baloloy drilling that last free throw.
Just imagine, binabantayan mo Aspe, oh.
With 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Uy, naka-ready na dun para lumipad si Chope. Hindi lang siya nakita. Dun sa ilalim, cross-court pass.
Hinahanap talaga yung shooter.
But Caspe steps on the line and the ball will go back sa Team Manito with under a minute to go for sa ating first half. Briones to Jubilia, another isolation play. Jubilia for a 3. Short yan.
Kung napansin mo, coach, yung defense ng Daraga, yung tatlo ready to help eh.
Yes.
Diba?
They'll definitely let the other teammates of Jubilia to take the shot rather than Jubilia.
Yes, coach.
Peace. With a 3, mintis yun. Tumatakbo naman ito. Mabibitawan yon, pero the ball will stay for Team Manito. With 22 seconds on their shot clock and 36.1 on our game clock. Jubilia lilipad.
Sumabay ka pa.
Ang ganda rin ng challenge doon ni Albaitar pero nahuli lang siya. Nauna na yung talo ni Jubilia with his stretch arm. Ang layo nun.
Grabe naman to, coach, na player na to.
Caspe drilling that Damian Lillard country.
Parang nagpi-free throw lang to, coach.
Kung ako tumira doon, dalawang kamay pa yun eh. Hirap pa, baka kapos pa. Chope now, another layup for Chope. And now, the lead of Daraga is ballooning to a big 35-point lead. Yan na nga po. Sa pagtatapos ng ating first half, ang ating score 33-68. Team Daraga leading by a big margin with 35 big points. Magbabalik po kami para sa halftime analysis. This is your Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Habulin ang pangarap, ipasa ang bola ng pag-asa. Kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panalo. Pagsama-sama tayo, kaya tara na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Basta't mulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw, aking naming talento, objeto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama.
And we are back here inside the Daraga covered court para sa laban ng Team Daraga and Team Manito. And right now, with Team Daraga having a comfortable lead with 35 big points. Pasadahan natin, Coach Reynel, ang ating halftime stats. Sino-sino ba ang ating mga leading scorers para sa ball game na ito?
Eto yung mga leading scorers per team, coach. Sa Daraga team, yung Gadon 19 points na, may 6 rebounds, meron pang 2 assists. Yung Caspe, coach, may 11 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, and 1 steal. Yung Chope, coach, 9 points. And sa nito naman, coach, yung Hubilla, tingnan mo, second quarter pa lang, may 19 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist. Yung Declaro, may 4 points. Briones, meron ding 2 points.
So for our halftime stats, mga kasurog, definitely the score 33 for the Team Manito is coming from one man, Hubilla, which has 19 big points. So magbabalik po kami para sa third action ng ating labanang Team Daraga versus Team Legazpi.
Simulan na ang laro, palakasin tuhod at braso. Bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Ayos lang madapa, basta tayo agad, tuloy lang, sige lang. Habulin ang pangarap, ipasa ang bola ng pag-asa. Kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panalo. Pagsama-sama tayo, kaya tara na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Basta't mulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw, aking naming talento, objeto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama. Tagaktak ng pounds, di namin aling tayo masasaktan, madadapa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uwi na kayo ko lang magmayatay. Sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway. Dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol Cup. Di ka atrasa sa basikulan, maraming natutunan. Pagkakaibigan, disiplina ang gabay. Sa hamon ng court, puso'y naging matibay. Lakas at galing, lahat ibinigay. Terminado puro dress, huwag lang sumaglay. Simula pa ang kay bata, basketball na ang daro. Kahit na minsan, wala namang grupayo. Salamat na kilala, tinamak ko ang asno. Malinis na laro, binigay sa publiko. Paglabas sa court, pwedeng maging amigo. Walang tatalo sa disiplinado, lahat kami ay sumasaludo. Siya ako, ikaw, tayo ay Bicolano dito pa lang. Panalo na tayo, isigaw natin. Ako Bicol, isigaw natin. Ako Bicol.
Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ako Bicol Cup,
And we are back here at the Daraga Covered Court para sa inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin sa inyo ni Congressman Eli Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List na katabang nakasurog pa. We are at our third quarter frame of our ball game so far. So far, Coach Reynel, ano yung mga biggest development right now?
Kailangan talaga nilang adjustment, coach eh. If they will not adjust, possible na pwedeng lumobo yung lamang na to. So I think they really need to rotate the ball and at the same time trust the other teammates. Kasi yung consistency ng laro ng Daraga nandyan na eh.
That is definitely right for the team Manito right now, but the consistency of this team Daraga, nakikita naman natin sa score.
Yes, coach.
Right now.
Kasi from the very beginning, coach, nahawak na nila yung pacing ng laro eh.
Hubilia right now.
We have a new face ngayon, coach eh.
Oh, si Nidwa from I don't know if he is from Baskaran Daraga or malapit dun sa Baskaran, pero definitely a homegrown player and naging defenders of fate din.
Yes, coach. Yes, coach. Sa Inarado Cup, coach, naglaro to sa Gapo eh. So, possible talagang kaya kinuha to kasi magaling tong player na to. So, one of his tasks is to defend Hubilia, to stop Hubilia. So, yan ang pinaka-task mo. If hindi mo yan magawa, lalabas ka niyan.
So right now, Nidwa.
Yun.
Excitement.
Na-excite lang, na-excite.
Na-excite.
Siyempre, kung ikaw naman maglalaro dito, di ba?
Sa basketball, pagka nandun yung giggle factor, mabibitawan mo talaga yung bola.
Especially kung first basket. Good cut.
Hubilia right now. Si Hubilia hindi pa to pinapahinga.
Hindi pa, coach. Grabe yung kondisyon ng batang to.
Medyo nagka-pisikalan doon. Nidwa kontra kay Hubilia. And right now on the floor for the team Daraga is Au Santiago together with Azanya, Peace, Nidwa and Monsalve. Harap naman nila si Declaro, Baloloy, Hubilia, Balitaon.
Galing pa rin yung Au.
Azanya. Naabangan lang doon ni Balitaon.
Hindi talaga siya na binagyan ng easy basket.
Good
no?
read sa part yun ni Balitaon.
Galing tong big man to. Bata pa to, coach eh. Kasi nung nakapasok to sa defenders, I think nasa 13 to 14 years old pa lang to eh. Now college pa lang to eh.
Monsalve
Tingnan mo yung big man ng
missing that one.
nito. Ayan naman yung idol natin, coach.
Nabitawan lang doon ang bola.
Medyo pagod na rin eh.
Good defense. Pero finally, Nidwa getting his first point here sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Gaganahan na tong Nidwa kasi nakakuha na ng 1 puntos eh.
Good spin para kay Hubilia doon pero tinawagan siya ng traveling.
Kung pumihit na batang to, coach, grabe no? Kung maliit lang yung help defense, wala, kakainin ito. So kailangan mo talagang lumagay ng isang piyon sa gitna para may stop mo lang tong batang to. So, tingnan mo, coach, yung adjustment ng nito. 'Di ba? They kumbaga na papakomit nila ng turnover tong mga taga Daraga. So, ibig sabihin nakakuha na nila yung tempo. It's ship momentum kung siya tinatawag. So, kailangan na lang nila ma-convert tong offense nila. The problem is, yung defense, nandito pa rin. Lalo na yung Monsalve, pinapahirapan yung big man ng nito. Ayan naman yung ganda ng fake. Kick out to Balitaon.
Peace there.
Sayang lang.
Masyadong malakas lang yung pasa doon.
Oo, coach eh. Ayan na naman yung Hubilya.
To Declaro.
May tira yan coach sa labas na deklaro.
Binati mo eh kasi
Ah,
kaya lumampas yung tira. But right now, a big lead for the Team Daraga. 37 na ang kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating laro.
First personal foul for Lincoln.
bad pass lang talaga yung
And the imports of Team Daraga is now resting sa bench together with Aspe.
I think baka hindi na to ipasok coach yung mga imports nila eh.
Balitaon to Baloloy. Hubilya now kontra kay Nidwa. Napayungan doon ni Azanya. Nidwa. Peace open for the 3. Sobra nga lang. Pero Nidwa there.
Makulit din kasi coach yung Baloloy eh, di ba?
Baloloy is a feisty guard. Sneaking around sa kanyang dinedepensahan. And
Ilan kaya yung height nito coach? Sa tingin mo?
I don't know for sure, pero siguro mga 5'5 or 5'6 somewhere doon. Azanya with the rebound. Santiago now.
Ang ganda nung kick
Sa
out.
corner. Rebound. Nag-agawan pa halos doon yung dalawang player ng Daraga.
Sipag din
Santiago.
niya, eh. Bilis yung recovery ni Au. Yung crossover! Kick
What
out again!
a crossover. Peace. Missing his third consecutive shot.
Wala coach eh. Napagpahinga na kasi sa upuan kanina.
But Baloloy, nagpapakitang gilas din with an ooze from the crowd. Hubilya now. Hubilya. Nasa lubong ni Monsalve. Declaro. With the floater there. Wala nga lang. But the ball will stay sa team nito. And now, Kevin, another streak shooter. Kevin Newton will check back in for replacing Peace.
Grabe yung composition ng Daraga coach. Pag inalis mo yung shooter, andun pa rin, papalitan ng shooter pa rin coach. Wala
Walang
ka
tapon.
papupuntahan, di ba?
It's safe to say that this Team Daraga is an all-star team.
Yes, coach. Nakita mo yung putback nung Hubilya, coach. Grabe! Sipag ng batang to. I think ko siya yung ata yung pinakabata ngayon sa court eh. Or sa buong liga, ito yung pinakabata eh. 20 or 19 pa lang tong batang to.
Meron din siguro doon sa Team Pulangi.
Sa Pulangi, coach.
Sila Torres.
Ay,
Alam ko
oo.
mga 18 pa lang yun eh.
Oo, kasi pasok pa yun sa under 19 before eh.
Santiago right now. Running. Pero bukas si Yutan doon. Pero way off. At merong call as Au Santiago has been called for an unsportsmanlike foul. So 2 free throw to para sa team nito plus ball possession.
Mukhang nagpapainit pa to coach na Yutan. Pero pag binigyan mo to ng isang magandang buwelo, basket, pupukol talaga to. So, let's wait kung ano pa yung pwedeng mangyari. Pero I'm sure, pag sinabi nating shooter, always a shooter, coach. So, it's 4 minutes and 43 remaining time for the third quarter. Medyo mahaba pa to, coach. Madaming actions pa tong mangyayari.
And this is only a 33-point lead for Daraga. Pero kung siguro may bababa to ng team man nito sa kahit 20 points lang,
Possible
a
na pwedeng
manageable
makahabol
lead
sila eh.
going to the fourth.
Ito na naman coach yung isolation play kay Ubilia, no?
Ubilia.
Yun ang inihintay ko coach kay Ubilia. Yung magiging decoy lang siya. Pero kailangan niya talagang pumasa.
But at that sequence, talagang mahaba din yung defender ng Daraga. Aspe now. Back in the ball game. Aspe. Alam mo, that is the patented shot of Aspe.
Yes, coach. How many times ko yan napanood? Kahit sa ang liga, sa
Kumbaga,
TV.
he is in front of the backboard and then reversing to the other side.
Yung tinatawag
difficult
coach na
shot.
epektos.
That's a very difficult shot.
Hindi mo pati coach alam kung sa kabila or dito lang sa may area niya.
And bago niya gagawin yon, penetrating underneath, mag-fake pass pa siya
Oo, coach.
sa cutting from the middle and suddenly biglang i-reverse na lang pala. So, experience really pay off dito sa player na ito. Ubilia. Pinapasayaw si Nidua pero deklaro, tumira.
Yung deklaro coach meron.
Deklaro
talaga
may
tong-
soft touch siya eh.
Oo.
He just need to be consistent on his shot. Pero Yutan with a fake Albaitar. Na kay Aspe pa rin ang bola. Alam mo, ito si Aspe, ikinukumpara ko rin siya kay Scottie Thompson.
Tama,
Because Aspe is really good in positioning himself para makuha yung mga rebound na gano'n.
Pati yung depensa coach.
Hindi siya kalakihan, hindi siya malakas tumalon, but definitely it's because of his positioning. He knows well. Ang ganda nung ano nun. That is a
Ang
dream
ganda.
shake.
Yes, a dream shake coach. From Hakim Olojawon.
Albaitar, binandera na lang yun.
Usually makikita mo na lang coach sa mga veteran players, no?
3 minutes and 10 seconds for this third
Halos
quarter.
naubos coach yung possession ng nito. More on isolation kay Ubilia, no?
Villa.
Tingnan mo tumatakbong orange.
4 kontra 1, tapos si Baloloy pa ang nandoon.
Oo.
Hindi pa tinawagan ng foul. Si Licunario.
Pero coach, kung ikaw yung coach ng Daraga, 4 na kayo pero hindi mo pa na-convert. Patay tayo dyan.
Chage Arienda checking back in for Nidua.
Sino na kaya magbabantay? Oh,
Again,
Asanya
you
na
are
ngayon.
watching Ako Bicol Cup 2022 hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Elisaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. We are live here inside the Daraga Covered Court at napapanood din tayo live sa ating Ako Bicol Online TV.
wala na. Coach, grabe na yung pagod ng mga nito. Coach, yung only Baloloy na lang can run and also to recover. Mahihirapan na talaga to, coach. Walang nangyayaring substitution.
Binuksan ko ang aking cellphone and nagulat ako. Alam mo ba kung ilan ang nanonood
Ilan,
sa
coach?
atin ngayon sa ating live? 3,000 lang naman
Grabe!
ang ating viewers sa
Nationwide
Facebook
na to
Live.
ata, coach, di ba?
Yes. So definitely good evening sa ating mga viewers dito sa ating Facebook Live sa Ako Bicol Online TV. And syempre, hindi naman tayo papanoorin if not because of our production team. Of course, headed by our director, Direct Christian and his crew, ang ating mga game producers na nandyan ngayon. As we see our fans here, jam-packed arena of Daraga Covered Court. Sobrang ganda yung mga laro ngayong araw from Game 1 up to this last game.
Kaya pa ba, partner? Grabe yung energy dito ni Coach Kyle eh.
I think
Kaya tinawag ko tong best sports anchor ng Bicol kasi idol ko to.
at somehow pwede ko na ring sabihin na I'm so proud of myself for completing this 6-game schedule.
Dinaig mo pa, coach, yung isang teacher. Imagine, from 8:30 until
Ano oras na?
Almost
8:18.
8:30 na rin eh.
12 hours.
ka nang nagsasalita. Coach, grabe yung energy mo. Grabe yung knowledge mo dito sa basketball. Iba
And
talaga yung Coach
syempre,
Kyle na galing sa PSL.
Siyempre, pasalamatan ko na rin the organizers behind this AKB Cup. Siyempre, sa kanilang tiwala for us sitting here right now and giving this commentating job sa ating laro.
Yes, Coach. It's my honor and privilege
Oo.
to be with here. And
And-
also to share my knowledge in
And-
basketball.
I think we can shout out our Facebook Live viewers. Shout out ko na rin si Antoinette Arienda. Pamangkin ata to ni Chage Arienda. Magandang gabi sa'yo. And syempre, nanonood rin ang ating mga barkada dyan sa pinakamamahal kong busay, Daraga Albay. Coach, batiin mo rin ang iyong barangay.
Yun din po, karamihan sa mga taga San Roque, Coach, Barangay San Roque ng Legazpi, nanonood.
Andito ba ngayon?
Tsaka andito,
Ah.
karamihan nandito. Kaya binabati
And-
ko rin po lahat ng mga taga San Roque, Legazpi
And-
City, and also our barangay captain, Joselito Martinez.
Yes. And I guess they are here because of you. Siyempre, susuportahan din nila ang kanilang kagawad.
Actually, itong katabi ko, future kagawad na to by next year.
Hopefully. Sabi ni Antoinette Arienda, good luck daw kay tito niya, kay Chage Arienda. So far, Antoinette, yung wish mo ay natutupad with this big margin ng Daraga kontra sa tima nito.
Grabe yung mga bigs ng Daraga, Coach, oh.
And isa pang idol ko, JR Arizobal, nanonood din. Kay Jos Molinilla, as we have a foul there. Under 2 minutes remaining of our third frame.
Alam talaga lang, itong dalawang talaga to, pa nagbabantayan, alam nila yung mga laro, Coach. Alam nila kung paano yung steal yung bola, alam nila kung paano nila i-depensahan yung isa't isa, di ba? Grabe. Iba talaga yung pinagsamahan ng Aspe at Hubilla. And I am happy to see them na yung naabot nila, Coach. Grabe.
Gusto ko rin i-shoutout ang aking ninong, Sir Gilbert Otivar, nanonood din sa ating live. And syempre, Dexter Amaranto from Romblon.
Grabe, nakarating ng Romblon.
Nakaabot tayo ng
Coach,
Albaitar with a
Coach,
short stop.
iba talagang ako Bicol Party List, no?
Yes, definitely.
Grabe. Yung support nito nationwide.
And I guess some of this player is wearing the shoes na binigay ng Ako Bicol.
Sana all na lang.
Siguro darating din yan. Meron din para sa production.
Kaya next year, Coach, kapit lang talaga tayo.
Oo, kapit lang. Meron yan, definitely. Hindi tayo mawawalan dyan. Hindi ka mawawalan pero hindi ka rin magkakaroon.
Di bali, Coach, bibili na lang ako.
Alam mo, hindi ko din alam kung saan ko kinukuha itong energy na to, pero definitely it's because of our viewers right now sa ating Facebook. That 3,000 live viewers right now is keeping me alive.
Grabe, Coach. Actually, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng viewers. So, sana stay tuned lang kayo, support lang palagi, and don't forget to like the page kasi para palagi kayong updated sa mga games.
Yes, and shout out din daw kay John Lloyd Manyo as we are nearing at the 1-minute mark of our third quarter. Patuloy na lumulobo na ang kalamangan ng Team Daraga with a 40-point lead na right now. Briones, pinilit yon. Wala nga lang. Now, Chage Arienda. Aspe. Naiwanan lang.
Oo.
Nauna yung kakampi niya. Tobilya. Nice spin pero pinihit. Meron dong foul.
Nakita mo, Coach, yung help defense, no? Yung interior defense, di mo talaga pwedeng pakawalan yan eh. Iba yung kalidad ng Hubilla, Coach. Tsaka very humble na player to, Coach eh. Isa
And-
din to sa mga inaabangan ko.
And shout out din daw kay Camille Ragrario and of course Nico Bigas from Taiwan.
Ay, meron pa rin
And-
ba Coach Akin magpapa-shoutout? Galing pa to Coach ng Pasay Shoutout sa'yo, Nika May Barameda.
Oo, syempre si Commander mo, alam niya ba na nandito ka ngayon? Syempre malalaman niya rin yan. Oo.
Actually Coach, hindi ako nagpaalam eh.
Arienda with a 3. Malakas yan. Albaitar. Solid screen. Yutan. Finding Azanya there. Ubilia. With a pass to Likuna. Nice fake.
That's a
For-
veteran fake!
With 15 seconds on our game clock. Aspe. I think uubusin na ni Aspe dito for the last shot. Kontra pa rin. Balolo hindi talaga tumitigil din doon. Aspe. Namintis lang yun. Lucinario. Naubusan na ng oras. At para sa ating pagtatapos ng ating third quarter, ang ating score 47-83. Team Daraga keeping away bit by bit and breaking the defense of Team Manito pieces by piece. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating fourth and final action ng labanang Team Daraga and versus Team Manito. This is your Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Simulan na ang laro, palakasin tuhod at braso, bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Ayos lang madapa, basta kayo agad, tuloy lang, sige lang. Abuin ang pangarap, ipasang bola ng pag-asa, kasama tropa at barkada. Masarap ang panalo, pagsama-sama tayo, kaya tara na.
And we are back to our fourth and final action. Again, this is your Ako Bicol Cup 2022 hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Eli Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Nakatabang nakasurog pa. Ako pa rin po ang inyong kasama, Coach Kyle Marilla, together with Coach Reynal Manlangit.
Iba Coach yung puso ng Hubilya Coach, di ba? Kahit alam ng lamang na sa kanila, still, gusto niya pang lumaban. Ibang yung batang to eh. Gusto ko yung mentality sa loob ng court, the mindset, and also the spirit to fight. Grabe.
But definitely now we can see on the faces of Team Manito that a bit by a bit they are already losing hope. So I guess perfect right now na iset mo pa rin yung mga executions mo, parang i-treat mo ang larong ito as a practice.
Yes, Coach, kasi in preparation for the next game. Okay?
Pero definitely, I am expecting for a redemption dito sa team ng Manito.
Kasi Coach, gusto ko talaga, may naabangan ako dito ng dalawang players eh. So hopefully maglaro na tong sa next game.
Briones there from the left corner.
Ang kinagandaan dito, Coach, sa Manito, talagang lumalaban sila, Coach. Yung puso nila, isa lang for their town.
Gaspe missing on that 3-point shot.
Akala ko hindi na ibabalik yung imports ng Daraga. Pero andyan pa pala.
Siguro, ang gustong mangyari now ng coaching staff ng Team Daraga is to set the rhythm for this two player. Kasi pag pinahinga mo naman ng masyadong matagal, baka mawala yung rhythm niya eh.
And of course, coach, the chemistry.
Yes,
So, kailangan
and-
din nilang malaman yung...
And the confidence as
Yeah.
well. Peace. Deflected
Kasi-
there. But the ball will remain sa ating mga naka-orange.
Ang ganda ng mga jersey pala nila, coach, no? Isang design, pero ibang kulay.
different colors.
Oo.
Santiago right now.
Ibang klaseng liga to. Siguro kung taga-ibang lugar ako, coach, mapapawaw at sana all ka na lang talaga.
Definitely this team was built in the logo of the municipality of Daraga, which is known to be Umaarangkada. And right now, Team Daraga umaarangkada papunta sa kanilang unang panalo dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Grabe. Kadalawa na yun, ha? Ito yung
Pispis.
pispis.
Gadon,
Yung Llantero talaga.
Lentero is a uniform man serving under the umbrella of the Bureau of Fire Protection.
Yeah. I think kabatch niya si Coach
Coach Milay. Lentero deflected.
Iba talaga, Coach, pag ball is life, no? Kahit you're serving,
serving.
to the people, but still, andito ka pa rin just to
To play your game.
to play your game.
Pero siguro off niya naman today kaya nakapaglaro si Renzo. But right now, Team Daraga inching closer to their first victory. We have a timeout here for Team Daraga. With under 8 minutes to go for our fourth and final quarter.
Coach, talagang sa sobrang daming viewers natin, ang dami-daming nagpapa-shoutout pero hindi natin yan pwedeng isa-isahin. So, shoutout na lang po sa lahat ng Hascore members. Grupo namin po yan sa DWCL, lalong-lalo na kay Master Benji.
Yes. Actually na-shoutout din namin yan kanina ni Coach Ranji.
Aba, nakadalawa na pala siya ngayong
nakadalawa
araw.
Si Master ngayon. Pero I think nasa rapo-rapo na ngayon si Master. Well, magandang gabi pa rin sa ating mga tagapanood. We are at our fourth and final quarter of this game with 7 minutes and 50 seconds on our game clock para sa huling yugto ng ating laban. Deklaro. Ubilia, pumipihit pa rin sa loob.
Very athletic player talaga to, Coach, no? Outside, yung post up.
Last time when we won the 3x3 doon sa Puro Legazpi, ang player ko noon, Aspe and Ubilia, talagang
Grabe naman, Coach. Kahit siguro 6 yung kalaban nyo, wala pa rin
grabe talaga ang connection nitong dalawa. Even on the turf sa Parañaque World Trans,
Coach.
Santiago securing that basket there.
Yung defense ng Daraga, Coach, consistent, no? Yun ang medyo mahirap dito.
And they're sticking to their pressure.
Tsaka yung mga guards nila, grabe, yung active hands talaga. Kaya most of their points galing sa steals. Ina. Pinagpahinga na si Pispis. Pero still, pinasok pa rin yung Chope. Grabe tong big man. Hindi pa rin sumusuko yung maan nito. Lumalaban pa rin. And that's the spirit. Ganda. Yan na si Ao. Tulian pero. Hinanap talaga yung shooter. Give and go. Ang ganda naman. minsan sa mga veteran players, coach, kahit wala ng chemistry, no? Yung experience na lang talaga, and the moment you play inside the court, amuyan na lang.
The way they read their defense or their their offense, yung pang minsan nga kahit pero definitely walang team na nagcha-champion kung wala kang practice.
Tama, coach.
Pero plus factor yun kung may veteran experience ka.
Actually, coach, ito ang kinaganda ng composition ng Daraga eh. It's a mixed players eh. Merong
So,
mga young guys, merong mga veterans.
We can give credit sa kanilang coaching staff.
Yes.
Llantero, 5 balls.
Hindi pa rin talaga binibigyan ng kahit konting space to si Ubilla.
May nag-graduate atang player.
Oo, si
Llantero with
Llantero.
5 fouls.
Oo. Sinacrifice niya kasi yung foul niya. Hindi lang maka-convert yung transition ni Ubilla.
We are at the 6-minute mark of our ball game. And up to this time, meron pa naman nanonood sa atin. Nababawasan ng pakonti-konti pero they are I guess they are wanting to see
The final result.
the final result. And I guess a highlight plays. Ito yung mga sinasabi talaga mga die-hard fans na talagang tatapusin ang laro.
Tsaka iba dito, coach, sa Daraga, no? Yung environment pagdating sa basketball, grabe. Palibasa, ito yung center ng ano nila eh. Actually, ang dami dito, coach, na na-develop sa court na to. And we are also happy because the renovation of the court. Grabe. Eto na, yung idol ko. Ang ganda ng labas kay Chope. I think itong si Chope at saka si Sir Chugs ay isang uniform personnel din. Tama, coach?
Yes. Magkabaro yan.
Magkabaro yan. Kaya minsan yung ibang liga, champion yung PNP.
Oo, malakas yung PNP
Malakas
lineup
kasi.
because yung mga players nga na napupunta dyan sa kanila.
And yes, of course, yesterday, coach, yung team ng Kamalig, karamihan daw doon, mga PNP. So imagine kung bubo sila ng team talaga. Grabe. Grabe yung denial na ginagawa ni Chope. Finally, nakabutas!
4 minutes and 30 seconds para sa ating ball game.
Still, they're not giving up. Nabitawan lang nung idol ko.
Nag-miss call sa akin si Boral. I know magpapa-shoutout to. Magandang gabi dyan sa'yo. John Paul Boral dyan sa Perpetual Altas.
Magandang gabi sa'yo, idol.
Pati daw kay Zenric Harke. Nagpapa-shoutout din.
Shoutout sa'yo, Noy. And of course, coach, pasalamatan rin natin yung mayor ng Daraga for the support na bigyan tayo ng magandang venue.
The proud mayor right now, Honorable Carwin Awin Baldo, with his team inching closer sa kanilang unang panalo dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Minsan, coach, itong ligang to, minsan hindi na battle ng mga players, battle ng mga mayors na eh.
Hindi, kahit hindi yung mayors din, Battle of LGUs. And
Oo.
syempre, yung mga tao na nandyan sa mismong munisipyo na o town.
Yung suporta, no? Grabe.
But definitely, this game will go to Team Daraga
Daraga.
because of their effort there.
Followed by number 21.
So kailangan natin to, Coach, abangan. Kung makakabawi ba ulit yung Ma nito on their next game. And ano na kayang mangyayari sa Daraga by their next game? Possible bang maging consistent yung winning streak nila?
Sigurado ako dito, madadala nila to papunta sa mga susunod nilang game because the confidence na na-build nila dito sa larong ito.
Tsaka isa din to, Coach, sa mga powerhouse teams eh.
Talagang inaabangan din naman ito na napakaraming supporters.
And also, Coach, shoutout din tayo dun sa dalawa nating partners kanina.
Mhm.
Shoutout sa'yo, Coach George Serrano and Coach Ranji Basquinas.
Mga sinamahan nila ako kanina for the 6 big games.
Buti na lang, Coach, andito ka kasi kaming tatlo talagang first time namin to. Pero because of you, Coach, talagang...
Actually, this is not the first time na nag-handle ako ng 6 game even in the PSL that time.
Grabe naman yung isang coach.
Pero
Coach
different
Barilla.
story talaga yung pagiging game announcer or barker. Unlike this commentating job na talagang from time to time you have to speak.
Grabe. Saan pa kaya kinukuha ni Coach yung energy?
Siyempre sa ating mga live viewers yan.
Tama. Tsaka yung passion mo, Coach. Grabe, nakikita ko yung passion mo.
So, i-shoutout na rin natin wala tayong ditong lahat kung hindi dahil kay Coach Alex, DJ Morgan Madronio.
Hello po sa'yo, Coach Alex.
And syempre, the proud members of Ako Bicol Party List, maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagtiwala sa amin to deliver every game dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup. As we saw a beautiful move of De Claro.
Makikita mo talaga, Coach, sa mga veterans. Makikita mo yung mga dream shake, yung half spin, yung fade away shot. Even the smallest thing na ball fake, very effective sa kanila, no, Coach? Grabe.
At may gusto din magpa-shoutout, Renzo J. Suarez, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Tsaka, Coach, first time tong mangyari sa Albay na magkaroon ng ganitong coverage, di ba?
Yes.
So, nakaka-amaze, Coach, di ba?
So definitely, it's because of our production team right now na sila ang naghahatid sa atin ng napakagandang broadcast and telecast of this game kasi gusto natin mapalapit ang ating laban sa ating mga tao, especially those who cannot come here live sa ating venue.
Tama, Coach. Since nga ito ay intertown, intermunicipality, Coach, there are some fans na hindi talaga makakapunta dito. So, they have opportunity and chance to see the live or watch.
As we are now at the last 2 minutes of our ball game.
64-103. Running score.
Hindi ko nakikita sa dalawang teams ito ang salitang pagsuko, Coach. They're still fighting and battling, Coach.
They are keeping the fire burning.
Yes.
Albaitar, umatras lang doon si Albaitar.
Hindi yan, Coach, yung tinatawag na no mercy, ha? Kahit ang dami na yung lead ng Daraga.
De Claro, outlet pass. Papunta dito. Another ageless warrior with a fake. Grabe ang energy nitong both teams.
Tingnan mo yung tumatakbong orange.
Gun. Nidwa was blocked there by De Claro. Arienda.
Isa lang yung defender ng nito. But still, he can manage the defense.
Inilipat pa ni Tiagi doon sa kabila eh. Nandun yung defender eh.
Yun tuloy yung pinaka-knockout play.
But definitely a good outing for both teams. Surprisingly, or I guess hindi naman natin i-expect na magiging ganito ang result ng ating ball game.
Yes.
Pero definitely, team Ma nito exerted their effort para makabalik dito sa laban ito. But the thing was the Team Daraga relying on their defense, their one-on-one defense, and converting those turnovers committed by Team Manito into an easy 2 points in every side of the court.
Yun nga, Coach, pasalamatan rin natin yung mga fans and people of Manito. Andito pa rin sila ngayon, Coach. So, ingat po kayo sa biyahe nyo pauwi.
Arienda. I guess that will be the dagger for this ball game.
Sino kayo magiging player of the game, Coach? What do you think?
Marami ang nag-score eh. Kumbaga, kung sinasabi natin, Team Daraga right now is playing like a Spurs team.
Tama,
well
Coach.
distributed ang bola, even the score are well distributed. Yung sinasabi na nga natin kanina, that Team Daraga, na is built around scorers. Everybody can score. Anyone can score. And plus, factor doon, they can defend well.
Tama, Coach. Kaya kung sino lang talaga yun ang stand out sa game. What a beautiful game, and congratulations to Team Daraga and also to their mayor.
For our final score, we have here 64-109. Team Daraga getting their first win in the Ako Bicol Cup 2020. Sino ba ang ating best player?
Yun nga, Coach, sabi mo, ang hirap talagang malaman kung sino yung player of the game. Pero, syempre, hindi pwedeng wala. Ang player of the game natin ngayon ay si Gadon, which is the import. 19 points with 7 rebounds and 2 assists.
And we have to give credit as well sa almost 17 assists made by Dazzle Paul Aspel, locating his teammate, finding a better look for his teammate to score. And again, magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa susunod na Martes para sa susunod panibagong kabanata ng ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Syempre, hatid yan sa inyo ni Congressman Eli Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Nakatabang na kasurugpan. This has been your panel. I'm Coach Kyle Andre Lorejo Marilla, together with
I'm Coach Reynel Manlangit, and thank you for
saying good night, everybody. I hope you enjoy the 6 full-pack games offered to you by the AKB Cup. Diyos mabalos po sa Indo Gabos.
Simulan na ang laro, palakasin tuhod at braso, bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Ayos lang matatapos na tayo agad, tuloy lang, sige lang. Abuin ang pangarap, ipasang bola ng pag-asa, kasama tropa at barkada. Masarap ang panalo, pagsama-sama tayo, kaya laro na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Basketballistang Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang inaming talento, objeto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama, tagatak ng paus. Di namin alintana masasaktan, maganda pa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uuwi na kayo ko, lamat na itatay sa bolang binigay. Hindi na naging batang pasaway dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol Cup. Di ka atrasa sa basketbulan, maraming natutunan, pagkakaibigan, disiplina ang gabay, sa hamon ng court, puso'y naging matibay, lakas at galing lahat ibinigay. Kami na progress, huwag lang sumaglay, simula pagkabata, basketball na ang laro, kahit na minsan, wala namang grupayo, salamat na kilala, tama ko ang asno, malinis na laro, binigay sa publiko, paglabas sa court, pwedeng maging amigo, walang tatalo sa